Assalamu alaikum. My dear student of Sindh Agriculture University, I am Gulistan Malik and pleased to be with you. As we enter the holy month of Ramadan, a time of discipline, reflection and growth, we are launching a special initiative to prepare you for the world beyond the classroom. While we continue our journey towards climate resilience, we are also going to focus on the spiritual and ethical blueprint for economic success.
I am sharing with you a transformative series by Nouman Ali Khan titled Qur'an and the Global Economy. This series consists of three essential parts that will change how you view your career. Part 1: Business as a Mercy. Understanding that trade is a form of divine bounty designed to distribute provision to all of humanity. Part 2: The Entrepreneurial Mindset. Learning why the Quran encourages us to be active producers and innovators rather than passive consumers. Part 3: Economic Power and Ethics. Discovering how to build collective strength by avoiding corruption and ensuring our prosperity benefits the entire community. I advise you to go through these videos carefully and absorb their essence. Throughout the month, our daily quizzes will include specific questions based on these subjects. Your understanding of these principles will be just as important as the technical climate data we study. This is your chance to align your professional ambitions with your spiritual values. Let this Ramadan be the month where you develop the mindset of a true leader, one who understands both the earth and the economy. Ramadan Mubarak to you and your families. I look forward to your participation.